Today I am going to teach you 25 keyboard shortcuts that professionals use to cut their work time in half. Let's get started. Set 1. System Management and Navigation. Windows logo opens the Start menu. Windows plus D shows the desktop. Windows plus E opens File Explorer. Windows plus I opens Windows settings. Windows plus L locks the computer. Set 2. File and text operations. Control plus A selects all items. Control plus C copies the selected item. Control plus V pastes the selected item. Control plus X cuts the selected item. Shift plus Del deletes programs or files permanently. Set 3. Productivity and editing. Control plus N opens a new window. Control plus O opens a file. Control plus P accesses print options. Control plus S saves the current file. Control plus F finds text or an item. Set 4. Workflow control. Alt plus Tab switches between open apps. Alt plus F4 exits the active app. Control plus Z undoes an action. Control plus Y redoes an action. ESC stops the current task. Set 5. Advanced search and system tools. Windows plus Q opens search. Windows plus R opens the run dialog. Control plus Shift plus ESC opens Task Manager. PRTSCN takes a screenshot and copies it to the clipboard. F2 renames the selected item